Hi friends. Our kids are getting bored at home during lockdown, right? So today we'll try to make an interesting toy for kids. So I have got a 5 volt DC motor from a broken toy. We'll use this motor to make a boat so that we can engage our kids. So let us see the making of the boat. So first of all we should draw the outline of boat, how it looks like. So as you all know, this will be roughly the outline. Then we have to fix the dimensions. For that, actually my plan is that the motor will be placed here and the propeller will be like this. So we have to make a cutout here for the propeller to rotate, and we have to fix the motor here and the shaft. This will form the axis, and here we have to fix the propeller. So we have to the cutout dimension to be known first. So we will measure the motor dimension. It is approximately 3 centimeters. So here we will fix 3 centimeter. Here also we will fix to 3 centimeter, and the propeller along with the shaft we will use a 2.5 or 3 centimeters of it for this. So here the length will fix to 12 centimeters, right? Then this can be also 9 centimeter. So we have to cut a thermocol piece with this outline, and we have to make the cutout. Then we have to fix the motor here, and we have to make the shaft. So with how we can convert this cap into a propeller, we will see first. So the cap is like this. So we have to make 4 slots like this here, and we have to keep the sheet over here so that this will form the propeller. Let's do that. So we have to make the leaves for the propeller first. So this is a plastic sheet. Now we will make the leaves like this. We have to cut this into 2 pieces. So this will form the leaf of the propeller. So these leaves we have to fix it here like this. For that we have to make 4 slots in the cap like this. Now we have made the slots here. So in these slots we have to keep these leaves like this. I have made already made the propeller like this. So I have applied the glue. So this will from the propeller. I have made a hole to fix the motor. Now fix the propeller to the motor like this. Now this has become the engine of the boat. So this is a 1.5 volt battery holder. We can use 3 batteries to get 4.5 volt. Either you can use like this battery adapters, or you can use an old lithium-ion battery to drive the motor. So this is a old battery I got from a mobile. Since it is a lithium-ion battery, we may have to use a lithium-ion battery charger board to charge the battery. The major disadvantage of like this battery adapters is that this battery may get drained off by our trials. So better I recommend to use an old lithium battery with a charger. So I have soldered the wire to the motor. So this is the lithium-ion battery, charger, and the switch. So now we will have a try. So we'll just switch on the battery motor, and that is rotating.
अच्छा।
So friends, hope you have enjoyed this video. This is not an intelligent toy for kids, but it is simple and easy to do it yourself project. This will be very interesting for kids, so please do try at home. Please post your comments, and thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel.